Hello friends, welcome to Automobile News, and today we are going to talk about Okinawa Praise Pro electric scooter. But before we start, please do like, subscribe and share our channel. Okinawa Praise Pro is a premium product from the house of Okinawa Autotech Pvt. This is an Indian electric two-wheeler manufacturing company. Established in 2015, Okinawa is today producing a wide range of electric scooters ranging from budget to premium. Okinawa Praise Pro is one of their premium offering that is also easy on pocket both to own and maintain. Okinawa Praise Pro is priced at Rs 79,845 ex-showroom and can be booked by paying a token amount of Rs 2,000. Praise Pro comes with a variety of features like front hydraulic telescopic suspension, keyless entry, tubeless tires, mobile charging USB port, stylish tail lamp, rear double shocker with dual tube technology, and CNC machined adjustable brake lever. You can also choose from a wide range of colors like glossy blue black, glossy red black, and glossy sparkle black. They also offer hand-painted custom scooter, which is a unique feature that I don't think is offered by any other electric scooter manufacturing company. Okinawa Praise Pro comes with a 2 kWh lithium-ion detachable battery and 1000 watt BLDC motor that generates 2500 watt of peak power. The charging time for the battery is 2 to 3 hours. It gets LED headlights with DRL functions, backlight with LED rear winkers, microcharger with auto cutoff function, and digital speedometer. It comes equipped with aluminum alloy wheels, front and rear tubeless tires, disc brakes at both front and rear, electronic assisted braking systems with regenerative energy. The seat height is 800 mm, ground clearance is 175 mm with a loading capacity of 150 kgs. The company claims a range of 88 km in full charge in sports mode with top speed of 58 km per hour. It gets stylish body colored floor mats, 3 years battery warranty and motor warranty of 3 years or 30,000 kilometers. The combination of specifications, features and price make Okinawa Praise Pro a value for money product. For more information, you can visit their website okinawascooters.com. That's all for now. See you again in our next video.